The management of geospatial information has changed significantly. With the explosion of satellite imagery and drone data, traditional GIS just can't keep up. On-premises systems face massive hurdles, storage limitations, slow performance, and costly hardware maintenance that stifle your potential. The introduction of cloud computing has been revolutionary, allowing organizations to store and analyze spatial information in ways previously impossible. Cloud technology provides elastic storage and scalability. Support petabytes of imagery and scale your resources automatically without physical limitations. Experience faster processing and real-time analytics through distributed systems, enabling quick rendering of complex spatial queries for rapid decision-making. It unites siloed data. Teams can collaborate in real time on maps and datasets from any location on the planet, enhancing operational efficiency. Cloud platforms seamlessly integrate with AI and machine learning for automated feature extraction and predictive spatial modeling. Lower your operational costs while enhancing data security with encryption, automated backups, and role-based access control. From smart cities and precision agriculture to disaster management and logistics, the cloud is empowering every industry. The future is serverless, GIS, and advanced digital twins. Embracing cloud-based solutions is essential for staying competitive today. Unlock the full potential of your spatial data. For more information, visit GOWGS84.